What if I told you with 7 clothing pieces you could pack for 1 week in London? No checked bag, no outfit anxiety, and allowing for tons of room to bring home souvenirs. I'm Jess of OK's Family Travels, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I'm packing for a week in London with just 7 clothing pieces. We're going smaller than the 3x3 here, and it's all going to be fine, I think. The more I travel, the lighter I want to pack. That's why I've stopped trying to pack for every possible scenario. Instead, I pack clothes that work together, layer easily, and don't wrinkle into modern art. The goal isn't to have endless outfit choices. The goal is to never have to think about what you're wearing. Full disclosure, we're still a few months out from our trip, so some of this could change before we go. Let's start with the tops. The first top is a simple white tank top. It isn't exciting, and honestly, that's exactly why it's perfect. It layers under everything, and it's comfortable when the weather warms up or I get to hot flashing. The second top is my white gauzy button-down. If you've watched my channel before, you already know this shirt comes with me everywhere. I'm convinced it's incapable of having a bad vacation. My third top is the navy top from the matching set that I recommend all the time. There's a reason I keep talking about this set. It's comfortable enough to wear on a long travel day, it doesn't wrinkle much, it mixes with everything. This set works harder than woodpecker's lips. Now, let's talk about pants. The first pair is the matching navy pants from the set, grown-up Garanimals for the win. My second pair is a brown cotton linen pant with a button front. I specifically chose these pants because they have a structured front waistband instead of a drawstring. A button front just looks a little more elevated, and that's exactly what I wanted for dinners or evenings out. Don't worry though, the back is elastic. If it's going to be hot, I'll swap brown pants for some cotton shorts. If it's going to be cooler, I'll bring a pair of Levi's 501s. Now for the extra pieces. First is my oversized wrap scarf. Mine works as a scarf, a wrap, a blanket on the airplane, an extra layer if it gets chilly. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of accessories. Next is an oversized cropped red trench coat. The cropped length works well with dresses and pants, and the bright red color makes it easier for my kids to spot me in a crowd. I got this tip from Samantha Brown. She is a travel goddess. My final clothing piece is a black and white striped polo t-shirt dress. I love bringing a dress because it's just easy. It's comfortable in hot weather, and it has pockets. Now, let's talk shoes. I'm only bringing 2 pairs. My red Vivea Sneakerinas are my walking shoes. If sneakers and ballet flats had a very practical child, this would be it. They're comfortable enough for sightseeing, but don't look like I've just come from the gym. My second pair is a pair of red penny loafers. They're classic, they're comfortable, and they instantly dress up every outfit. Now for the accessories. I keep these simple. I bring a ball cap because vacations still involve sunny mornings and windy afternoons, and because I have hair that does whatever she wants. And because of that, a claw clip is also essential. Some understated silver jewelry adds just enough polish without taking up any room, and then I plan to bring a small red leather crossbody to keep my hands free while exploring. I haven't decided just which one yet. Side note, I don't care that crossbodies aren't considered cool anymore. I'm too old and cranky to mess with the little underarm purse. I've got things to do. And my new favorite day bag is this Longchamp La Pliage tote in the paper color that I found on Mercari for a very few dollars. Finding that bag secondhand felt like winning a very specific lottery. There are also the practical items that don't make glamorous packing, but absolutely need to come along. I'm including them so that both you and I remember to pack them. Pajamas, compression socks for the flight because DVT is not the vibe, bras, socks, underwear, not exciting at all, but very necessary. That's the entire wardrobe. 3 tops, 2 pairs of pants, a scarf, a jacket, and 1 dress. 7 pieces. And because every single item mixes together, I can create enough outfits that nobody notices I'm repeating anything. Mostly because nobody else is paying attention to what I'm wearing. So, how do I intend to make the 7 pieces work for a full week? A few simple habits make all the difference. First, I wear the bulkiest items on the airplane. Every piece I'm wearing is one less thing taking up space in my suitcase. That means this is all I've got to pack. I could probably do it in a single backpack if I wanted to get cute. Oh, stay tuned for a video where I try that. Second, I plan to do laundry. We're staying in an Airbnb, so at some point during our downtime, I'll be washing clothes. 1 quick load of laundry means I can pack dramatically less. Third, I bring fabric refresher spray. It's one of those tiny things that makes a huge difference. Not everything needs to be washed after one wear. A quick spray, a little fresh air, and most pieces are perfectly ready for another day. And finally, I hang everything up whenever I'm not wearing it. It's just a simple thing. The wrinkles fall out, everything airs out, my clothes stay fresher longer. And getting dressed each morning feels a little easier because I can see what I have instead of digging through a suitcase. Minimalist packing isn't about proving anything. It's about making travel easier. I never seem to miss the things I leave behind. I only notice how much easier the trip feels. And that, to me, is worth far more than having 15 outfit options I'll never actually wear. Let me know in the comments if you think this will work or if you think I'm delusional. If you enjoyed this video and love mildly to wildly sarcastic but practical travel tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you liked any of the clothes you saw today, I included an affiliate link to an Amazon list in the description box below. Thanks for watching.